So keep your Creeper book open. This page, page number 37. Okay. See, it is read and write. So you have to read it and then write. See, what is this? F-A-T, fat, M-A-N, man. A fat man. So here you have to write a fat man. Okay. A P-E-T, pat, hand. A pat hand. So here you have to write A P-E-T, pat, H-E-N, hand. Okay. So like this way you have to complete this all. Okay. Again I read it. I read it again. Okay. A fat man. A pat hand. A big, big tin. So here you have to write in cursive way a big tin. A hot pot. Hug a pup. Hug a pup. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this page. See, our next topic is A or N. So first of all, mention here date, and first of all we understand this topic. Okay. Then after we start. Okay. So our topic is A and A and N. Okay. So first of all you have to learn them in our ABCD. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Understood? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Okay? In our ABCD there are 5 vowels. See, when you write A or N, first of all you see that vowels, there is vowels or not. In ending point there is vowels or not. First of all you have to check it. Then you have to write A or N. Okay. So then A, E, I, O, U. That is our vowels. When vowels will come, at that time we have to put A and N. Okay. When vowels will come, then we have to write N. When vowels will come, vowels, that means A, E, I, O, U. When vowels will come, at that time we have to put A and N. Okay. And if vowels will not come, if vowels, that means A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels will not come. Vowels will not come. At that time we have to write answer A. Only A. Understood? Only A. If vowels will come, then we have to put A and. Or if not come, then we have to put only A. Okay? Now let's do in our Creeper book. See, A is used for when the word begin with a consonant. That means if vowels is not, if vowels will not come, if vowels is not there, that means we use A only. See, here you can see B-O-X, box. What is this? What is this? It is vowels? No, it's a consonant. It's not vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Is there? No. It's a consonant. So, here they put A only. Understood? See, here you have to see first letter. F. F is vowel. A, E, I, O, U. F is vowels? No. F is vowel? No. That's why here they write A only. Understood? Like this way. B is consonant. So here they put A only. B is a consonant. Okay? Like this way. See. What is this? M-U-G, mug. M is also not vowel. So that's why they put here A. C. C is a consonant, not vowel. That's why A, cat. Dog. D. D is also not vowel. It's a only consonant. So that's why they put A only. Now an is used when the word begin with a vowels. Vowels, that means A, E, I, O, U. Here see elephant. First letter is E. E, that means A, E, that means it's a vowel. So that's why they put here an. I is also vowel. That's why they put here an. An ice cream. An apple. An umbrella. An orange. Here you have to first letter. You have to see first letter. Ox. An ox. Okay? Understood? Now we have to write here A or an. See. First of all mention here date 30 April. Write A N before the words given. C L. Here just for you I mention here vowels A, E, I, O, U. L. L is here in vowels. L is there? No. That means we have to put only A. A. A is here. This is vowels. These are vowels. A is here. Yes, that means we have to put A, N. If vowels will come, then after we have to put A, N. If vowels will not come, that means it's a consonant. So at that time we have to put only A. B is a vowel? No, that's why we have to put only A. U is a vowel? Yes, see. U is a vowel. So we have to put here A and N. Kite. K is a consonant. It's not vowel. See. It's not vowel. K is here? No. So here you have to put only A. O is vowel? Yes. Then A N. H, not vowel. It's a consonant. Only A. E. A N. Egg. Vowel. That's why we have to put A N. B. B it's a vowel? No. It's a consonant. So here we put A. And A N. Understood? So like this way you have to complete this full topic. Okay? Like this way it is. You have to complete this full topic. This is your homework. Okay? So now we have to do. We start capital writing. Okay? So let's start. Capital R and capital S. How to write capital R and S? So see. First we have to do standing line. That means 1. Okay. Then curve. Then V curve. Okay. Then after from here you have to do like this way. Understood? Capital R. Capital R. Okay. Now how to write capital S? So slanting line. Slanting line, then seagull, curve, then D curve. Okay, slanting line, C curve, D curve. From here you have to make round. One type of curve. Okay, capital S, capital S. Here, see, from this line you have to start. We have to make one, then after curve, then D curve, and then from here we have to do like this way. R, capital R. R for rose. R for rabbit. Then capital S. From blue line we have to start. Do slanting line. Then C curve. Then D curve. Okay. Then from here we have to make round. Capital S. Capital S. Okay. So now we are doing in our book. Keep your 4-line book. Okay. And mention here date 30 April. Write here HW. Then have to write capital R. So see. 1, then after curve, then from here you have to do like this way. Then what is this? Capital R, capital R. Okay, so this one page it is in your homework. Now next page you have to mention date. Write here HW, then after RS. So from slanting line, then curve, then D curve, and then make round. It's like a circle. Okay, curve, capital S, capital S. Okay, so this capital R and capital S, it is in your homework. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.